In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Doordash gift card. Whether you're sending a last-minute gift or planning ahead for a special occasion, the process is quick and entirely online. I'll walk you through each step, explain what to look out for, and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open the gift card page. You can use the official Doordash gift card page or choose a trusted online store that sells Doordash gift cards. Make sure you're on a legitimate site by checking for a secure connection in your browser, usually shown by a lock icon and HTTPS in the address bar. Sticking with reputable sources helps you avoid invalid codes or delays. Next, select the amount you want to give. Most platforms let you pick a value within a typical range, like $10 to $500. Consider the recipient's location and how much a typical order might cost after taxes, fees, and a tip, so the card covers a full meal. If the site allows custom amounts, choose a number that feels thoughtful and practical. Now enter the recipient details. Type in the recipient's email address carefully, since the gift card code will be delivered there. A single typo can send it to the wrong inbox, so double-check before moving on. You can also add a short, optional message to make the gift personal. If you're buying it for yourself to use later, simply enter your own email address. Choose the delivery time. You can send it instantly, which is perfect for last-minute gifting, or schedule it for a specific date and time. If you're scheduling, keep time zones in mind so the surprise arrives when you intend. Add your payment method. Most sites accept major credit and debit cards. Enter your card details and make sure your billing information matches your bank's records to avoid a declined transaction. Before you pay, review the total and confirm any taxes or processing fees are acceptable. Finally, confirm the purchase. Click Buy, and the gift card code will be sent to the recipient by email. You'll usually get a confirmation email as well. Save it in case you need support. Remind the recipient to check their inbox and spam folder. If delivery takes a few minutes, that's normal. Digital orders sometimes require brief processing. The email will include simple instructions for redeeming the card on Doordash. And that's it. Open the gift card page, pick your amount, enter recipient details, choose delivery, add your payment, and confirm. You're all set to send a thoughtful, instantly useful gift.